gave you a shout out today here,
Really?
but
That's
I forgot
nice.
to message you and tell her.
Ah,
Sorry about that.
missed it.
You shouldn't have. You should be listening to Rhythm FM.
You know, my dad should be stuck on Rhythm
Yes,
FM.
102.1. You know it.
I do?
Well, I just don't want to disclose that.
Why though?
It's complicated. Very complicated.
So why do you stay?
As a child is involved.
So how old is the child?
She's 18.
That's a young woman. She'll understand.
It's a little technical than that.
I'm really sorry to hear.
It's okay. I'm coping. The only two things that I can recall that keeps me going: my radio station and my baby girl. I literally can't wait for it to come home.
She's not here?
She normally comes every summer, but enough about me, Mr. Lion.
Well, almost district attorney.
Nice. So what about Mrs. Right or Miss Right?
Miss, right?
There is a Miss Right.
Well, there is a miss. As to whether how right she is, I'm not so sure.
Really? Aren't you sure?
She's distracted.
That's I mean, you deserve full attention.
And I mean, I don't really ask for much. But between her business and her business partner, I kind of just get pushed to the curb.
Is this business partner male or female?
Male.
Oh. Trouble in paradise.
But sorry about that.
She's pretty.
Thanks.
Um, sorry. It was just right there. Hope you don't think I was prying.
That's cool, it's fine.
It's kind of hard not to see that loud hairstyle.
Yeah, that's her image.
Well, I'm going to go to the girls' room. Excuse me for a minute.
Well, it's a surprise. Hey, baby. I didn't want to see you on the road.
I was just about to leave.
Oh, you look like you just started. Can I join you?
Uh, yeah, sure.
Great. So, we get to do lunch and dinner in one. You don't always hear about this place? I've never ever been here. It's nice and secluded. Baby, alright?
Yeah, man. I'm good.
Yes. Give me a bit of that.